Today I am installing the LED reverse unit upgrade for my Focus RS from Autobeam. So the reverse unit that we are replacing today is just in here, right beside the indicator, so we need to take off the light housing, just as we did before whenever we did the indicators. So we do that starting in here. To get the light housing off, we need to remove a couple of plastic screwy things that are holding it on from inside the boot. Now there's one that is up here and it's exposed. We just reach up in here and unscrew it, and just do it slowly and carefully so as to not drop. Now these from the factory are on there pretty tight. Now I've had these off before, of course, whenever I changed my indicators, so mines aren't on too tight, but if you have never removed these before, you may need to use some pliers or something to just put on these tabs and twist to loosen them and get them off. So that is one off, and then the other is behind this little magical door, which you can just put your fingers over here and pry this off. It just comes off real easy. And then the other one is just right there. So again, just twist it off, and as before, mine is not on overly tight. So just bit by bit, keep your hand under it so it doesn't drop, and that is it off. So now we can move to the outside. Okay, so we just sort of gently jiggle this a little bit, and there we go. Now if you see, this metal prong was in like a little hole right here, just right down there, so that is what we were trying to release. And with that, our housing is completely off, but we need to disconnect our electrical harness right here. So just push this little tab and pull, and it comes off. So now we've got much better access where we can get to our light bulbs. Okay, so this is the one that we want to go for the reversing unit. So we just get a grip on this and twist it counterclockwise, and it should loosen, and then we just pull it out like so. And so this one is just a simple push in, push out, so I should just be able to grip and pull it, and as you see, it comes off. So this is perhaps a good time to do a little side by side. So I'll put that down. Let's move this out of the way. So you can see side by side, stock versus Autobeam, of course. The Autobeam bigger, chunkier, obviously all these LEDs, and just this cool red aluminium housing. And it's got this big one with like a sort of domed like lens diffusory thing on the end of it, so you know it's going to be super awesome. So yeah, should be super simple to get this in. Just push it in the way we pulled the other one out. So just line it up and push. Oop. And it goes in like so. So that is that. Then we just line that back up into the hole, get it to pop in clockwise to lock. So the exact reverse, just to put our light housing back onto the car. So we get our electrical connection, just click that in. There's this little like plasticky thing just to slot our cable into, just to keep it nice and neat. So then we line up our holes, or we line up our like metal prongy thing, and also this and this, just to the holes that they came out of. So we just line these up, line up all of our holes and stuff, and then give it a push. So that's it in place. Then we just replace our screwy things. I just get them like nice and tight just with my hand. I don't want to use like a tool to get them super tight, because of course then it means if I want to remove them again in the future, it makes it easier. Doopy doopy doo. So that's good and tight. Alright, so put this back in, just line up your tabs and push the bigger tab in. There it goes. Yep. So that is installation done on this side. So now I'll just fire the car up, put it in reverse, and make sure that that LED works. So that worked nicely. So now I'm just going to repeat the exact same process on this side, removing my plastic screwy things first. So while I'm doing this, it's maybe a good time to say that I'm doing this because I quite often reverse into my car parking space at night, and The reverse lights are okay, but you know, I just feel like I could do with a bit more help to see exactly where I'm going. So that's my main sort of impetus for doing this. So I cannot wait for these to be done. So those are those two out, and then just the outside bits. It's a good idea to hold that just in case it would fall out. I mean, I don't think it will with that. With the far end metal prong, that should hold it. But probably a good idea just to hold it with your hand at the same time, just for extra safety. At least until you get one of these in at least, and then you should be good to go. Again, just hand tight. Not going to use any tools. Well, there we go, that's the installation of the Autobeam LED reverse unit upgrade for the Focus RS. Looking absolutely awesome. I can't wait to check them out when it is dark, which will be very soon. I will actually just throw up a little side-by-side comparison right now, day and night, just to show you the difference. So yeah, the installation was pretty simple. I like it, I hope you like it. If you do like it and you go and buy some stuff on Autobeam, if you spend over £20 on their website, use code ADAM12, I'll flash it up on the screen, and you'll get 12% discount. Awesome. So, thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.